with mixed emotion, joy, gratitude, admiration, and a touch of sadness. We have convened here together to celebrate the superannuation of a remarkable leader, a compassionate guide, and a pride of our institution. Shri Muhammad Iqbal sir, our respected headmaster. I, with immense respect, extend my heartfelt gratitude and a warm and respectful welcome to all the distinguished guests present here. Rahmatullah sir, Principal Kastigad, retired Principal H.S. Karan sir, Shri Haji Ghulam Rasool Sahab Bhaj, Shri Javed Hussain Khande ji, Abdul Rashid Khande ji, Dr. Altaf Ahmad Mir, Lecturer, High Secondary School, Jatheli, retired ZDO Muhammad Maqbool Bhatt ji, HOI H.S. Kagla, Shri Surjit Singh ji, Shri Muhammad Yusuf, HOI Pani, Shri Shameen Ahmad, HOI MS Kastigad, Shri Muhammad Iqbal, HOI Gadhan, Shri Shadilal ji, Senior Assistant ZDO Office Doda, respected Shri Bharat Singh ji, retired Headmaster, Shri Idris Bakhyar, HOI Dharosh, Shri Bashir Ahmad, Master, High Secondary School Sazan, Shri Muhammad Ashraf, HOI Bhata, Shri Nisar Ahmad, Teacher Bhata, Bashir Ahmad Khande, High Secondary School Sazan, Mahfuza Ma'am, KGBB Bhagwase, Sajid Hussain, Treasury Officer Kara, Shri Khurshid Ahmad, retired lecturer, Shri Khalid Muzaffar ji, High School Gandhi, and officer. पहले मैं इनका नाम भूल गई थी लेकिन इनका आते ही मुझे याद आया क्योंकि मैं देख के बोल रही थी सब कहीं गायब हो गए थे. With this, I also welcome all the distinguished guests of our village, our colleague, our teachers, family members, and well-wishers present here. Every school becomes great, not just because of the building, but because of the people who serve it with dedication. And our HM sir has been such a pillar, a man of principles and extraordinary leadership. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to you, sir, for your years of dedicated service, leadership, and positive legacy you leave behind. Sir, you have been much more than a HM. Your leadership taught us how to work with discipline, with hard work, with kindness, with humanity, patience, and compassion. It truly honors me here to say about our HM sir. Your teaching, your value, and your warmth will always remain alive in the school. As we all know that you have your leadership, what we can say that can be compared with anyone else. I have never seen, truly, I have never seen anyone who has been honoring, who has receiving such a farewell parties from so many schools. इतने सारे स्कूल्स ने आपको अपने अपने तरीके से सम्मानित किया, विदाई दी. ये इस बात का सबूत है, ये साबित करता है कि जहाँ जहाँ आपने अपना कदम रखा है वहाँ के लोगों में आपने कितनी गहरी जगह बनाई हुई है, उनके दिल में कितनी गहरी जगह बनाई हुई है. It's truly a beautiful proof of the respect and love you have earned throughout your journey. It truly speaks your greatness, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a true mentor, a leader, and a true inspiration to all of us. words fall short when we speak about a great human being. क्योंकि जितना हम समझते हैं कि हम शब्दों में व्यक्त नहीं कर सकते हैं because of shortage of time and बहुत सारी और भी चीजें हो सकती हैं. But just like every melody has its own rhythm, our program too has its own gentle timeline. Our effort will be to complete this entire program as soon as possible. Firstly, we have decided that we will complete it by 12, but I don't think कि 12 noon तक हम इसको complete कर पाएंगे, but हम इसको जितना जल्दी as soon as possible इसको हम खत्म कर सकें. For this, I heartily request, it's a humble request to each and everyone, especially to each speaker who are here, that in the garden of this event, may each voice bloom briefly, so that every flower get its time to shine. इसमें हमें रिक्वेस्ट, अगर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ ज्यादा बोल दिया हो तो उसके लिए सॉरी, पर टाइम को मैनेज करने के लिए हमें थोड़ा सा ये करना पड़ेगा कि जो भी हम बोले प्रिसाइज ब्रीफ बोले, सो दैट सबको मौका मिले अपने वर्ड्स को एक्सप्रेस करने का. बिकॉज इफ वी फील थैंकफुल वी शुड एक्सप्रेस इट. इसका कोई फायदा नहीं है अगर हम किसी के शुक्रगुजार हैं और हम उनको बोल ना पाए. तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक रैपिंग अ गिफ्ट एंड गिविंग इट, never giving it to anyone. गिफ्ट को अच्छे से हमने रैप कर दिया, सब कुछ संभाल के रख दिया अच्छे से, लेकिन बाद में उसको दे ही ना पाए तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. इसलिए इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट, हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ईच एंड एवरीवन टू बी प्रिसाइज, टू बी ब्रीफ. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ our students, I also prepared some the performances as a tribute to our sir. So it's time to add color to the celebration. So let's welcome our first performance by Barkha and her group. It's a thank you performance, thank you song dedicated to our HM sir.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling emptied out, you fill my cup. Sing it now, oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah, P-H-A-N-K-Y, oh, you thank you. Thank you. P-H-A-N-K-Y, oh, you thank you. Here we go, verse 2. I'm grateful for the way you've been a friend to me. Sing, oh, oh. And even in the deepest, darkest night, you help me see. Sing it right now, oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna Every beat